to give a good speech. We are all called upon to make a speech at some point in life, but most of us don't do a very good job. This article gives most suggestions and how to give an effective speech. So you have to give a speech. Your terrified. You get nervous. You forget what you went to say. You stumble over words. You take too long, and you bore your audience. Leader, you think, thank goodness it ever. I am just not good at public speaking. I never have to do that again. Cheer up, it doesn't have to be that bad. Here are some simple tips to take the pain out of speaking. First of all, it is important to plan. Do you have or plan out everything you can about your subject, and at the same time plan out as much as you can about your audience? Who are they? What do you know about your subject? Do they have a common interest? Why are they coming to hear you speak? But yourself in their shoes as you people your speak. Ask yourself the purpose of your speech. What is the reason? Why are you speaking? Are you introducing another speaker, moderating a discussion, giving a lecture, canvassing someone? There are many possible speaking roles, and each one has its own special characteristics. Make sure you know into which category you fit. Don't spill your speech by confusing one speaking role with another. Let that spot that you have been asked to introduce that main speaker at a conference. First, find out the most important and interesting things about the speaker, then summarize this information in a few remarks. It is alright to tell a joke or an anecdote. It is in good taste and will not embarrass the speaker, and most important, be proud. Remember, you are not the one speaker, you are introducing the main speaker. If you are neither, you should begin by giving a quick introduction of the people on the panel. After that, you should try to keep the disguises running smoothly, and you should try focus on the connection between speaker. Keep yourself in the background, don't talk to mix, and don't interrupt the panels. Be thoughtful and be considerate. If you are giving a lecture or explaining an audience, gather as many facts as you can on your subject. Spend plenty of time doing your research, then spend plenty of time organizing your material so that your speech is clear and easy to follow. Use as many examples as possible and use pictures, cards, and quiz if they will help you make your points more clearly. Never forget your audience. Don't talk about their head and don't then tell your audience with this respect. They will person your tattoo fans. If you are trying to sell something, you will need to canvas your audience. Do you want them to vote for candidate A? Are you offering them a new import to approach this kind of speech is usually the word but hard to. You must do your research and know your rights. When you are making your speak through to relax, speak slow and clearly and look at people and your audience. Use simple vocabulary and expression whenever possible. Pause for a few seconds now and then to give your audience a chance to think about what you have said. Make sure that everyone in the row can hear you if it is a large row or an auditorium. You will probably have to use a microphone. Just remember, be prepared, know your subject, your audience, and the occasion. Be very say what you have to say and then stop and be yourself. Let your personality come through so that you make person to person contact with your audience. If you follow this simple step, you will see that you don't have to be afraid of public speaking. In fact, you might find that experience so enjoyable that you volunteer to make more speeches. You're not convinced yet. Give it a try and see what happens.